Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Honda Passport can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at this very easy install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. Our first step, we're going to inspect the 6 weld nuts that we're going to use for this hitch installation. We need to remove any stickers or rubber plugs that may be present. In our case, there's nothing there, so we're going to go ahead and make sure to clean the weld nuts first. Use a wire brush to make sure each weld nut is free from debris and rust. Because of how close the pre-installed bracket on the hitch is to the bumper, we're going to go ahead and install our second wiring bracket to it before raising the hitch into place. If you do not have one of these, you can purchase one at your nearest local U-Haul hitch center, or you can order one from the link in the description. Use the screw and lock nut to install the bracket. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and a 3/8 socket to tighten the hardware. We're now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, you may want to get a second set of hands as this hitch is a little heavy. When raising this hitch into place, your side plates will bump the mufflers. Go ahead and angle it over one muffler before angling it over the other and finish raising it into place. You can now install your hardware. Place a conical tooth washer with the rounded side to the head of the bolt on your M14 bolt. Now repeat this process for the 5 remaining bolts. Always ensure to hand thread all hardware during an installation before moving on to tools in case you need to adjust something. We are now ready to tighten and torque our hardware down to the manufacturer specifications. We're going to go ahead and link those in the description below for you. We're going to use a 22mm socket. We will need a swivel head to access the forwardmost bolts, and an extension for ease. Now that our hitch is installed, we've pulled the vehicle onto level ground to give you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 4 inches. From the ground to the inside of the top of the receiver is 16 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.